We had an old soldering iron, but it already broke, so we ordered a new one.
From AliExpress for you, your new soldering iron.
Wow, for
Ooh.
me. Oh my god, so much things
Oh,
here.
we have some soldering wire.
Solder wire. Super.
Super. A lot of
Wires.
Some.
What is this?
It's maybe some holder for
Oh yeah, it's maybe a holder for the iron.
wire.
Oh, it's like to take something hot.
Yeah, take something hot. Another part to take something hot. It's
Raining tacos.
no, it's
It's to cut.
to cut wires.
I got it. What is this?
Some soldering cups, but I don't know how it will be.
Attachments.
Attachments, yeah.
And something yellow.
I don't know what is it.
Me neither. The iron itself and
And here is
something. That's a full set.
full set. Wow, we can
Wow,
do a
decrease
demand
and increase the voltage.
voltage.
I got it right?
Here is Euro type
Yeah.
of. We need some adapter.
Yes. Too bad we have only type.
Let's do some job with it.
Let's go.
We need to connect two wires to each
Together.
other together. Let's solder them, boss.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's try to
Cut them.
not cut. We need
To. I think I know how to use that. We use that in school.
yeah.
Yes. Can I try?
No, my turn.
Okay.
I do not use it. Yep.
You don't know how to do that. You failure. No. Not like that. Let me show you.
I'll do my old method from my childhood. Yeah.
Let me try the other one with the new school method.
Okay.
So look, first you take it here,
Yeah.
and then here, and then you like do this, and after here you put this inside here.
Be careful.
Wait,
You
can you
cut
please-
yourself.
Make it a little bit. It's just
No, it's for small wires.
yes.
For big one,
I already got it.
it's better to do with our old
Yeah, I think it's like for
old-fashioned
these wires.
method.
I think it's like for these wires
My old-fashioned method is better.
because it's cool to have a bigger and like for any wire.
And we need to turn it on. Let's go. Let's change this part for our
This
job.
thing.
The sting of the cup. I don't know how it will be in English. Okay.
No, you need to hide it. It does a special bag.
Special work, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not special.
We need
Not-
to
not
teach you
special.
modern way.
Put it like this. And
You're not only human.
I don't know. The modern soldering iron is new for me.
Well, yeah, you had a Soviet Union one for almost 30 years. What do you mean?
Yeah. Like this one. Let's connect it to the power supply.
Yes.
Ta-da! It's on. We need the max heat here. Maybe. Now it is start to be hot. Tin suction device. It can suck tin like this. Here you can suck some tin. It's like surge. It did when you heat it, you can suck it like this. Cool. We have some old rosin here, and we need to yeah, it's working. Yeah. Please take it like this.
Is it hot?
Not yet.
What do you mean by not yet?
Be careful. Be careful. Do not. Yeah. Then
It's very scary.
you need to take some iron.
That's
It's
how
cool.
you do it.
It's cool.
Oh, that's how you do it. Okay.
I like it. Let's make it go. Next one. Okay. And then like this.
Okay.
This part we did it. Next we take these parts. And do the same. I like this iron.
It's all smoky. It's like someone is smoking near of you. And the smoke is going to you. Wow, it's like the thing is eating the metal.
Yeah.
So strange.
We don't like to have some shortcut. Because of that we need to do some isolation.
I already thought of one thing we can do.
Let's try it.
Yes, can I try?
No,
Why not?
because it's dangerous. It's 220 volts in our power supplies.
Okay.
We turn off our soldering iron and we'll turn on the lamp. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Oh, yeah.
It's a miracle!
It flipping works.
Cool. Now we have a light here. Ta-dam! To compare it with my old Soviet soldering iron, this one is better, much more better. All modern soldering iron is better than old one. I like it.
Modern school.
Modern school.